Hi friends, welcome to simpleandinrecipes.com, your online guide to home style cooking. One of the most important things about cooking at home regularly is maintaining a well-stocked pantry. During the initial days of my cooking, I would often end up being frustrated because one item to make a particular dish would not be there at home. Gradually, after much planning, I put together this detailed shopping list. After I started purchasing based on this grocery list, I was able to cook up a quick meal anytime without running to the supermarket every now and then. So today I am going to share my master shopping list which I have prepared based on my family requirements. We are 2 adults and 2 kids at home. However, we have our parents or in-laws visiting us almost every month. Also, I would like to mention that we are South Indians, so rice is an important part of our diet. Being a food blogger, I also try out many new recipes, especially during weekends. I have prepared my shopping list according to this. You can use this list as a guideline and customize it to your family requirements. I have also given a downloadable PDF of the shopping list in my website, which you can personalize or take a printout. I have divided my list into categories for convenience. So let me share with you what all I have purchased this month. The first category is grains. I usually buy between 5 to 7 kgs of boiled rice or pulungal arisi to make white rice for lunch every day. I also buy 3 to 5 kgs of idli rice, which is useful for making idli dosa or ada batter. I also keep about 1 kg of raw rice to make appam or pongal. Basmati rice 2 kg for biryani or pulav. Raw rice and wheat I buy 2 to 3 kg every alternate months, wash it at home and make it as a flour in the nearby flour mill. With wheat flour you can make chapati, paratha, puri. With rice flour you can make puttu, idiyappam, kolkattai and murukku. At times I also make a mixed grains flour also known as sattu maavu. I'll soon upload another video on how to make these flours in detail. The second category is the breakfast or tiffin items. This includes 1 family pack of noodles for one of those lazy days, half a kg of ragi flour which is used for adai or puttu. I bake a lot, so I buy 1 kg of maida, half a kg of suji or rava which is used for upma or rava dosai, half a kg of any pasta variety and quarter kg of besan. Besan or gram flour can be used for making chilas, bhaji, dokla or even to prepare face masks. This time I bought this Manna Health Mix to prepare porridge. This month I have also bought half a kg each of kodo millet or varagarisi, the ragi semia, samba godumai rave also known as broken wheat or lapsi and the regular semia. I use these on weeknights to make upma or khichdi for dinner. With semia you can also make paisam for special days or for guests. I have some leftover jawarisi also known as sabudana and aval also known as poha from last month, so I didn't buy them this time. The third category is the most important for all Indians, which is the morning or evening tea or coffee. I buy 100 grams each of tea and coffee powder. If you use any health drink or protein powder, buy that too. For sweetening, half a kg of brown sugar and jaggery powder. Refined white sugar I use only for baking and I buy when required. I also try to have a bottle of honey and some palm jaggery or karupati on hand at all times. In category number 4, we have the cooking oils. I prefer to use the cold pressed oil, which is locally known as chekku ennai. Here I have 1 liter of groundnut oil, which is used for daily cooking, half a liter of sesame oil, which is mainly used for idli, dosa, South Indian curries and pickles. I also buy a quarter liter of coconut oil for specific South Indian curries and 1 liter of rice bran refined oil for deep frying, butter for toasting and baking, and ghee to make desi sweets. I also keep some olive oil for continental recipes and some mustard oil for North Indian dishes. The next major pantry essential for Indian cooking are the pulses. There are so many dried beans and lentils in supermarkets. I would recommend buying 2 to 3 varieties each month. This month I've purchased some horse gram, black and white chickpeas, some dried white peas and whole green gram. I've also got 2 kgs of urad dal for making idli dosa batter. All the lentils, the tur dal, moong dal, chana dal and masoor dal, I have leftovers from previous months, so I did not buy them. The next month I'll try to purchase some other pulses like kidney beans or double beans. In category number 6, we have the key to Indian cooking, that is the various spices. The most important are the red chili powder and coriander powder, which I prepare in bulk. I have already shared the recipes for those. Tamarind is another ingredient which South Indians use almost every day. I buy a big batch from my native place for the entire year. The whole spices used for tempering, I buy 100 grams each. So here I have black peppercorns, fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, mustard seeds and poppy seeds. Other spices like sesame seeds, cinnamon, cardamom, star anise, cloves and bay leaf I already have, so I did not buy. So here are the powdered spices of specific brands which I like to use in my cooking. I prefer to buy the crystal salt, but you can use table salt or pink Himalayan salt. Other random stuff that I've bought this month are some types of papad, soya chunks and lotus seeds. My category 7 are the condiments. These are pickles, sauces or spreads that I always have on hand. Let me quickly run through them. Here I've bought 2 packets of bread to make sandwiches for snack or breakfast. To spread on that, I've bought a butter spread, a cheese spread, a chocolate spread, I also have this mango jam and dates jam and some mayonnaise. These will easily last for 2 to 3 months. Here's the big jar of peanut butter which I bought couple of months back and tomato ketchup which I bought this month. I also keep strawberry, caramel, chocolate or rose syrup on hand to drizzle over ice cream, cakes or even to mix with milk for kids. We eat salad only once in a while, so here's the ranch dressing for that. My pancake syrup for waffles and pancake is almost getting over. I would probably buy it next month. This is pure honey that I got from a farm in my native place. Other staples in my house are these dry chutney powders like this homemade idli podi, flaxseed powder and this garlic podi. These can be served with idli, dosa or white rice. I also bought these pickles and this puliyodare rice mix. I bought this chili sauce this month which I'll be using for Chinese cooking. I already have soy sauce, green chili sauce and vinegar. Another thing which I like to have are these squash varieties which kids like to have after their playtime, or even I can make for guests. In category number 8, I have my nuts, seeds and dry fruits. I have these roasted peanuts, the roasted gram dal which is used for making coconut chutney, then cashews, almonds, pistachios and raisins. These are usually used as healthy snacks or for baking. So that brings me to the next category, that is baking items. If you bake cookies or cakes at home, you need these items. I have dark and white chocolate bars, whipping powder, jelly, yeast, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon powder and cocoa powder. This yeast and baking soda are also needed while making appams. The 10th category are snacks. You can buy these packed snacks and biscuits for a whole month. You can enjoy them for your evening tea. In category number 11, we have the dairy products. I've bought some milk packets, curd, cheese slices to make sandwiches or burger, pizza cheese, paneer and fresh cream. The 12th category are the frozen items. These frozen packs of mixed vegetables, green peas or corn comes in very handy to make quick veg fried rice. I've also bought some frozen snacks this month. With that we finished the list of groceries. Now we move on to category number 13, which are the toiletries. In this you can buy a month's supply of bathing soap, deodorants, perfume, shampoo, conditioner, moisturizer, sunscreen lotion, hair gel, toothpaste, toothbrush, anything that you want. You can add the personal hygiene products like hand sanitizer, Dettol, sanitary napkins, toilet paper roll, kitchen roll, cotton balls or earbuds. If you use makeup products, add them to this list. The 14th category are the list of cleaning products that you might need. So here I have some air fresheners, toilet cleaning tablets, trash bags. I always make sure I buy these biodegradable garbage bags. Next I have my washing machine detergents. I also have my dishwashing detergent, dishwashing bar and dishwashing liquid. I've bought different scrubbing pads. And I have my hand wash refill pack and the toilet cleaner. The bleach, the floor cleaner, the glass cleaner and pest control liquid. I still have some leftovers, so I did not purchase them this month. If you want broom, mop or cleaning brushes, add them to your list too. The 15th category includes disposables. These are things like paper plates, paper cups, disposable spoons, forks, tissue paper, aluminium boxes, Ziploc bags, kitchen roll, aluminium foil, parchment paper, plastic wrap, toothpicks and other such things. I also bought this kitchen sheet to stick behind my gas burner. Finally, be sure to add any miscellaneous stuff that you might need around your house to your list. This may include batteries, light bulbs, stationery items, etc. With that, I come to the end of my huge shopping list. I hope you liked it. I'm sure it'll be useful to every one of you. Having a master shopping list is one of the best approach to save both time and money. So make sure you use this list and change it according to your family needs. Thanks for watching. See you again with another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.